What's up, my people? Welcome back to the channel. So, I have some things I'm gonna share with you guys. And my people, I'm gonna run through the intro quick and fast. You know what I mean? I mean, I do that one quick and fast. You understand? So, here I go, my people. We have Jabbas locked down with a machine. It sound like D to me, but when me look, my people, on the footpath, it don't look like D, like the body structure, you see me? It don't really look like D, but it sound like D. So, me don't know what to say for D or not, you see me? But let me know what you think in the comment, right? We also have anime people, you see me, and they jump on TikTok yesterday. You know, normally Annie them take all Sunday off, them not come on TikTok to that. But Annie lockdown with police up I'm shop in a papin. Yes, so me I say, me I gonna share that with the owner, you know what I mean? Share, do some more exposing, you see me? Expose Annie and something, you see me? Don't talk about Annie situation. We have a bunch of things with people. We can't get in everything right now in the intro, but one not here in the intro and I go see in the video and maybe add more things as we go on. So make we get in with people.
Yeah. Alright, I don't know. If we can get maybe like a night now. Thompson, thank you, baby. You know, night now, so we just like, we can get a piece of barbecue chicken.
How we gonna get barbecue cheese, bro?
We don't know.
That's Sunday, miss. We ain't get barbecue chicken, bro.
Pork. Barbecue. Somebody say KFC. I remember this good. Really? Thank you for the taps, guys. Everybody, double tap. Your food here don't have no gates.
I have one nuggets, but I'm not smoke. I'm not smoke.
Today is Sunday. Really? But him don't tell you that already. 87, thank you, baby. He don't tell you that already. Him don't tell you that already.
What tell them?
Say something about if you did it beside your woman you that eat. You know you that eat your dinner already, no joke. Especially today or Sunday.
It's at 9 hours shot, long time.
So today me get one big piece of yam. Guys, everybody, may I beg a roast chat. Me get one big piece of yam today. Me not like me don't cook you with fit. Where you have it? One to you and the slippers. Chat, each person may I beg a rose chat. Each person one rose. Each person one rose chat.
One thing I have the views of them about Jesus Christ.
Chat, each person will ask one rose. Come on, chat. Yeah, boy, thank you, guys. Each person, 9 rows. 9 rows? Follow me. As you were saying.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, baby. No, I'm not catch your speed.
Bless your soul. I'll play some day game.
Love you, baby.
I'll play some day game.
Alright, go ahead. You tell me when you have to do it there.
Go for the one in our next game.
Next game.
Alright.
Guys, we're gonna sometimes some please.
Yeah, look. Gina look.
Whoever look at Gina look.
You.
Why you say that?
Hey, I want to call Gina look.
What do you mean by that?
Like you're up to something. What you up to?
Like oh. You move going back up at the shop. Yeah, my shop, nothing wrong. Yeah, me at the shopkeeper, me have to do the shop of the run. You don't know that. Yo, babe, they always start tell people say me in me day and me day up there. Seriously. Thank God for filter. Either girl my cute anyway you take it.
That's there right beside him.
Hey my God and time, my baby, what's up? Me send you know. Guys, we're gonna some taps. We can get some taps. There's something not big. We can get some taps, chats.
Guys, we can get some money done.
Hi, baby. What's up? Good evening, my TikTok mom. Good evening, queen.
What was your
Time then come rush you and we have your video them you. Thank you, baby. Thank you so much, guys. Double tap to you.
big up on yourself? Sipping my tea, big up yourself.
Hey, man, I tell you something, you know, so if you don't feel like come over here and get my comment section and I come with a bag of foolish, fall asleep. Okay, no problem, baby. But I'm tell you what I go on now. But I make sure some are black, you know, or if I'm not black, you know, I just lock down the comment section. Because either you know, I'm not Sunday dinner, I'm not want to go take out none upon me. Alright, I can't wait till my life what phone reach over here, so.
Alright, guys, I don't know how we're going to win their game and with over here so like this.
Yeah, that me I got the baby.
We'll try it.
Alright, what you say now? You ready?
You ready? Guys, it's a dear game.
Chat, please me ask you know, my side, blue team. Chat, me I beg you to help me. It's a dear game, chat.
Everybody pour.
I want to be the flowers girl. Oh my God, remember still me have daughters, you know. You can't be one of the flowers girl. And you can answer, you know. I never see him, that's why I'm gonna answer.
Anybody who want to be
What happened to Zoe? Nothing happened to Zoe the writing of the house here, so.
Anybody who want to be the flowers girl, send more money gun, please. Thank you so much, moderator.
Alright. Thompson, thank you, baby. Thank you. Guys, everybody, guys, help me out with this. Make a focus on this chat. First give triple. Queen, thank you. And big up yourself for last night. Thank you so much for the finger art.
First give triple to you.
No, sir, that not fit me. Leave me alone. Keep me, big up yourself, baby. Guys, everybody, double tap chat. Double tap, guys. We could catch your speed. Are you okay? Yes, I'm okay, mama. I'm okay. Thank you for the blue heart, baby. Thank you. Big up yourself here. Guys, everybody, double tap chat.
Yeah, one money gun for the flowers girl. Guys, let us send more money gun and tell them what they want to be.
What's wrong with the purple? It's nice. That's it tonight. You don't know my always in a blue. Nothing wrong with it. 87. Thank you, baby. Chat, everybody, 8 rows, chat. 8 rows, guys. Each person 1 rose. Each person 1 rose, chat.
Everybody send a rose shot. 8 person. You know, send me should have played a day.
Nice girl, Annie. Wanna go on my baby? Murder.
You know, send me should have played a day.
Thank you, baby. Thank you, Thompson, Queen.
Alright, my people, so me not lie, it good for see Annie in a better spirit, you know what I mean? It good for see say boy, she shake off the foolishness, you know what I mean, with them a chat about her and I focus on herself and thing. You know what I mean? I make the people them know say yo I block you know, or me I go ray if you don't come for me comment with any little foolishness. You see me? So you have to take control of your life at the end of the day, you know, my people. And you can't make certain things where you can't change bother you to that, because it don't make sense you worry about something where you can't change. That only build up stress on them something upon you. So live your life on you know what I mean? But be a better person as far as the youth them. You see me, one of them are supposed to go to school and also do a better job at sending them go to school, because you can't say you know no money you know. You see me? And Dragga my people, me don't feel like Dragga really in a way, because you can't come bring down your mother certain way on the internet, you know what I mean? Maybe I'm frustrated or whatever, but me can't, you know what I mean, agree with him for bring down him people on the internet. Big man thing. Let me know what you think. Go watch some more people.
Lisa, big up yourself, guys. Each person, drop a rose chat.
Everybody.
Come on, guys. 8. Thank you, baby. 1 anime. Them know no man.
Guys, game, guys. Come on, everybody drop a rose. Everybody drop a rose. May I wait for your tongue for come beat me. May I wait for your tongue.
Thank you.
Please.
Alright, double tap, buddy. Kevin, make me win a dear game, you know, you really actually are gonna do it, you know, cause you say dear game, yeah.
Be a freeze up.
Me tell them, guys, use a triple.
I'm not telling you, you'll see it on
What
screen.
you tell them?
And I'm not gonna tell you, you'll see it on the screen recording.
You are free. So baby, you can't talk about screen recording, you don't want to tell me? Best month, yes. What is your best month?
I never talk on the screen record. I talk on my live, but I know there was screen record.
Just you and your kids and do the right thing, okay? Alright, Queen, I will. Where's the babe?
Now I say I'm live, I talk on, but I know somebody there has screen record, so I say I can see it.
But me I say like when you talk when you live but you don't talk already, me I say you can tell me guys, so you can help me push up a score. 87, thank you baby. Tell me what you say.
I can see it on screen recording.
No, babes, tell me what you say. Guys, maybe I'm gonna shoot, cause Auntie Elma go shoot for me. Chat, maybe I'm gonna shoot. Me see Auntie Elma over there. Maybe I'm gonna shoot for this chat. Guys, if you don't have a gloves, drop your gloves. You not distract me. Hi, Annie. Love you too, baby. 87. Thank you, baby. Guys, maybe I'm gonna can drop our gloves. We're gonna snipe chat.
Good night, Mr. Fist.
Jenny for my baby. Alright. Thompson, beg your snipe, no Thompson. Thompson, if me can get a snipe, baby. If me can get a snipe, me thank you. The boots are upon you. Anything you shoot, give me a double. Anything you shoot, give me a double, mama. Right there, so see there. That is it. That is it, baby. Thank you, Thompson. 87. Thank you, baby. Thank you for the money gun. Alright, so the first deer go to you, sir.
Guys,
thank you.
First of all, thank you so much, user.
Would love to meet you.
Mr. Sophisticated, thank you so much. Alright.
Guys, big up my number one MVP. 87, you get a gloves, my baby. Thompson, Queen, I don't know. Thank you so much. You get a booster and a gloves. My number 3 shooter. Thank you, Queen. You're there for me last night. I like you. I like how you hold it down. You get a booster, a cloud. Kimmy, thank you. Guys, everybody, guys, thank you so much. Alright, so you ready?
Yes, baby.
Guys, what can I do? I can't give you right now. Alright, so I dare you to sing a Cylindian song. A Cylindian love song. You can't say no, a deer is a deer.
No, I'm not know no Cylindian, baby.
Well, find a Cylindian love song. Find the easiest one to sing. Find the easiest song, the easiest one to sing. Thank you, baby. Let him kiss. Oh, if you kiss me, you don't seem the way over there, so you can't kiss me. You might go sing a Cylindian song. Just relax and hear the boss sing. Real, big up yourself. 87, big up yourself, baby. Thank you for the rose.
What may I tell you? And you know what the part of it? A them troubler. A them troubler, you know. And then they make it look like a she trouble them. And a them trouble she. Cause she never trouble them yet. And then turn it on her pitney them. Tell you. But that's what Jamaica people cuss on them a cuss. You can't find nothing to lick you with them lick off. You pitney to blood clot and them a obey you. You better not catch. You can't catch quack, you catch in shot. That Jamaica people say. You can't catch quack, you catch in shot. Alright, everybody, alright, they're back. Alright, them alright, they're back, you know. Alright, them alright. Cause they not nobody for ride right now, you know. So only somebody where they see when name a call pan internet Annie. So them have to ride on the back. No more somebody no dep on the internet we not go on for them ride them back. Unless all one of them man them will tell them how think them pussies and then know say man a go win cause girl them a go run over a man then side. But when it come to woman and woman now everybody a go just with like Annie errors then so everybody a go just jump on Annie. Annie I know me cup of tea but me no see she a company she can't trouble nobody but so you go when some people get them light for shine pan TikTok me go come down pan them. So you have to prepare for it. Because Jamaica people never see you when you're not blood clot shine. As a man that say, you never see a man a stone a empty mango tree a blood clot. Mango have to depend if you in blood clot stone. So when she there nothing go on, you know, see them take no set pan her. But as soon as Annie come out and look at sit now go on, every day they living a woman back to blood clot, they no give him a day. Every day, everybody make a video Annie. A record Annie a set on TikTok. Record. But as I said, people, everybody war different when them a war. But me just thinking of fear though. And three people then so bias. Two the people them so bias. But so wait now, me have another question I want to ask. Cause me like ask all the question me see. So me notice I me never really touch this, but me I touch one little part of it. So me see them, Lord God. Why when me say not need Ghana road, you know? So the guy there where Rosalie talk to, him I fish with you? Lord Papa Jesus. Can't me see picture grow now. Hey, me I tell us that the world is a small world to blood clot. Small world. Me say me I watch one video, you know. Me I watch one video with one Battyman party, you know. And me say prettiest blood clot girl in I dance. From
Hey, my people, I don't lie down and tell still, you know. You see, if although when Annie did up on TikTok and not really a go on for her, she used to get bashing and she used to cuss with people still. But this is the first me see so much people down pan her try bring her down. You see me I say, although them say the higher the monkey climb or the more it exposed. So the more you go up in a life, you know what I mean, and the more some little minuscule thing are gonna blow up big. People are gonna take the simplest thing, you know what I mean, for try to bring you down because they don't want to see you rise. And as me tell you my people, I love to see a success story, you know. I love it. You know what I mean? Because people feel elevate in a life, good things will happen to people. You know what I mean? And them in the struggle all long. I mean, here she talk on TikTok, oh, she struggle. You know what I mean? Partly I fear her fault still because the woman them for know say, yo, you have picnic for different man and it nah better for you in a life. So some of the time you have to focus on yourself with a one or two youth and don't go have more picnic for heighten or make the struggle worse. You see me I say, but me understand how them have so much picnic more time, you know. Sometimes a woman we there with a one man, you know what I mean, and the man, you know what I mean, left her and she there with the next man and the man want a youth and she can't tell him no, like, you see me? So some woman weak certain way, so I saw them get to have how much picnic and then them fall in a poverty. You see me? But make me know what to think my people, make me watch some more.
start watch a video other girl me admire. And me say when the blood clot dirty wine start, man, and in flash, man, and the blonde hair come off, me couldn't believe say one man to blood clot. She have the same color like where him Trevor have, the same blonde color there, only blonde color. The girl pretty of me never know say one man a blood clot. Yes, when the dirty wine start, eh? Girl ready for broke way? Me say mighty God.
Me a drive to road in the almost accident, me nearly run all off a road. On Thursday before the man call me hear my van go so I make one sound. But just go check out my van, come here something do my van. And by me looking check engine light come off of my van. Me I say trouble not pay this man because me as nothing go check out it now. Uno do everything to try slow me down, but uno it not go work. Uno try for me not work in a fire. Uno try to do everything in a fire. Now me pick them uno play with in a fire. And me can't tell you this. It's like how me know say. I know me call nobody. I know me reach out to nobody. And people see me on TikTok and text me and tell me say come me have to reach out to you because this woman pay me to get rid of you. Yeah, I better they pay for shoot me kill me now. But when you got blood clot carry me name to science man, you know. It not go nice. Don't feel like it. Me say me a come spiritual and me a come physical upon your blood clot. Remember come me tell you that cause you not kill me left prayer Alexim. I tell you this blood clot, yeah. Me say you better go repent. You hear? You better go repent. Because anything you do me, you do yourself. Remember me tell you that. You think so me make you kill off of me? And me make you live? Watch blood clot me. Don't talk. I mean all blood clot in this woman every minute she call me phone. Come. Ray. Yeah. Good thing me not tell my business. You know me there me not a friend. Me not have a blood clot a friend. Cause me ask God. Beg God. Me say anybody where they run me wanna me no good Father God loose them up from around me. Me never have friend, me not keep friend. Anybody if me come and TikTok and talk something and me want to talk because nobody know nothing about me, nobody know nothing about my life. And me never got my bed one time and me no pray, me never get up on morning and me no pray, me ever pray about me, ever pray for me and me pitney them and me ever read Bible. No matter what me I go through, me read my Bible because nothing nobody on God. All I know I jump up on a yeah, who nobody on God. And God just want you serve him and watch me. Show me that my church every Sunday. Boy, I pay money for kill me. One blood clot, you know. So put me there wicked now. Me now tell the man say blood clot kill you today. Me not money to pay no science man. Me not have that. If God can't kill you, you not go dead. But me know God kill you. You wait. Boy, I go pay money to kill me. You should have that Jamaica, you see something because I know if I'm here Thursday, you're dead already. You remember that blood clot there. Because I send two boys on your tail and watch me and your whole family me get rid of. Watch. Then show you something. Boy, I pay money to kill me. Kill me. I don't want to see me on TikTok and fuck around me. Eh? I don't want to see me on here fuck with me. I don't want to see me on here fuck with me now. So I mean, I see time when I take all the money, but I'm going to pay a blood clot man to kill me. You better only pay one gun man. Gunman. And until him saying, you watch me, your big so cocky girl. I'm going to deal with her. Here? I mean, blood clot. I'm show you something. Boy, you pay money to kill me. Right, no blood clot. Y'all nobody dark shit, girl. Yeah, pay money to. All the woman will call me every minute, you know. I want to run while I pursue her, you know. Anyway, I want to run her, but I not run her because she don't say she a Zionist. Something like that, so we need to know. Both Zionist is no bomb clot. So on ramp with God. Both Zionist a pussy hole. Listen what we frighten your fuck. Yes, I know this. Man, I say come. I can tell you something. I want spiritual man on TikTok again, people. My friend, when the man call me, I say, oh, this is man call. The man call me and I say, I want to talk to you about something. So I say, oh, this now? Talk to me. You must be running man on my phone, you know. A man say, me never stop because me say you're a good girl. And when me say, me watch TikTok, and me watch you, and me say you love your pitney them, and me say you take care of your pitney them, and you're a good girl. And if me hurt you, come, me I go hurt myself because you have a spirit. You have your local Holy Ghost, and you don't do this woman nothing, you know, and the woman say you want to kill you. Me say me, the man say yes. Man say alright, come.
People, them have a saying, or them say believe kill and believe cure. That's what I say. So certain things when me hear people talk more while me hard to believe in that. You see me I say because there's certain logics we can explain some of the thing them, you know what I mean? And some of them are just brainwash people get brainwashed. You understand? So you make me know what you think. If you don't believe some of the things them will come so when it come to like the obia thing or something. You know what I mean? Type in the comment section. Make watch some more.
You believe me say yeah, me believe you because you don't know all of this. You don't know all of this. Man say yeah, and the person where I call you every day top boy, your name a cousin, and your name a this and your name a that. The woman take the woman money and I work for you. But you no can't conquer me now. You know you say what? I get a vision and I call my brother, and my brother said to me, say, sister, don't worry yourself. You have to beat me and Jesus Christ and my blood clot pastor them me and fuck. But we are pay money to kill me dog shit. Watch me and your bumbo clot. You think I'm money me and pay to kill you? I pray and fasting and some water. 9 days in my blood clot Bible. Prayer and fasting for you. Wait. God not working on eyes, you know. I wonder if you know that. God not working on eyes. No. God not working on eyes. Bad mind, dirty blood clot. Me they are foreign and me never know you. Me know you from nowhere. Me never know you. Me never know you. And one time me ever see you. One time, I like me tell her 2 times me ever see her. One long time this year at Jamaica and the next time again we see her up here. Me never know what, me never know. But we not accuse people. And I don't go on like I don't want people in a cascas every day. I don't know no cascas every day. Because I can't tell you something. I say me are the biggest over worker. I never work over here, but wish I could have worked over here. I could have worked over here, I tell you about a flat long time. If I could have worked over here dead for Thursday, you remember that I did track over there me want. I don't want to wake up here now. If me could have killed you, how would I kill you for Thursday? When me here, you fuck. You make me put a work science. I should have can blood clot work it. Alright, I'll show you something. When somebody can call you, hey, I tell you about you know. When somebody can call you and tell you, me have to tell you who, you ask me who, you soon know who, don't worry. My head soon take me just start ball out with somebody in the wind. Maybe take me head. But me not talk who yet, me have to fling back my blow. Yeah, me not fling back to me blow, me make them come blood clot no say, make them know say, them a fuck around me, and me come talk on TikTok. Then now, although them a do make it stronger, hey? Blood, you can't do that. Me have to make what them want happen to me, happen to them. Me nah no cuss out nobody on TikTok, you know. Me can't bother me no more, you know. They sit there raise blood pressure, and me can't bother. And they sit there raise blood pressure, my love. But me just, me nah, what's the me never sleep Thursday night, I couldn't sleep. Say what you want, blood clot. Kill coming. You want to me left me 2 nice spitting them, when I no blood clot, daddy. See me spitting them, come pussy clot, suffer in the night. Man take them box them all about. You fuck think you make that happen. Who is you? You feel a fuck crib. Who is you? Me beg God every day if you keep me in a prayer and Lexi life. Make them pass the words. And you from out and nowhere want come blood clot kill me. How this? Come cousin inside. Cousin inside. Inside that way. What are you talking about? You don't call cousin from the TikTok. You hear me telling you? Because I can't take my next one, I can't bother with you know. You don't call, you know, you tell me something. You don't call cousin for you. I beg you please. What if it's good, bad or ugly? You don't call your name. Do. I can't take them right then, the people there right now. Whether it's good or bad or whatever it may be, I really and truly don't want to name call for your car. Let me tell you something. My name not good enough. My name not good. And you ever hear some me over here talk about cuz and I say, I don't know people stay. So me can't bother with it. I can't do it. You get what I say? I have to focus on me and me picking there right now. I mean, don't want me and nobody on the internet to cuss over fucking foolish people. Me I tell you from now. Whether me and him talk, whether me and him don't talk, whether me and him good, whether me and him no good, I choose not to speak nothing about that individual. Alright, whether everything is fine or everything is not fine, I rather to speak nothing about that individual. So me what they gonna please wanna come over there with it. Do me can't deal with that part of world there. In my life you have to look people let them just do what they want to. You understand? I know them me come out now and one woman will pay up your man to kill me. And your man call me and tell me. Man say see me and watch me on the internet. The man say come, you're a good girl. I watch you, you know, I watch you.
I smell it through the phone, not true. Annie, I can't tell Annie say me I go about my business now, bro. See blessing just a flow up on me. Yeah, me not charging. You see a fat pussy. Okay. You know, I see a fat poo-poo. Never must have put on B. Me not take about this right now. With the undershirt, don't you?
Oh.
But using back chop off, man. You cause that in a bro. Keep on my shot in a bro.
But it's not good without an undershirt.
Me feel one big blood clot red shot in it.
What you should do here, man?
Which one, the red one?
Yeah.
See it? This one, Joe? You can't have it, Joe?
So, me have a extended version like at the screen recording me share with Uno with Cam. She a talk about a woman where show Obi upon her and she get the money and like the woman can spend the money with her and the feelings where she get with the money, she not touch the money, tell the woman to put the money there, so then she have somebody where did her work with her where she make touch the money and you know what I mean, a bunch of something till her business go bad and she left go foreign. She say I saw she left go foreign after the business go bad and something and she da foreign and years to the woman you know what I mean, drop out and rare and she has to say F for you know what I mean, and that for happen rare cause she owe me. You see me, she owe me Cam. I think Cam say she chew back owe me blow half of the woman too. You see me I say? So people, how you know when somebody are owe you? That more have to know. You see the brain, the mind, yo, we can't make the mind stray some of the time, you know, cause we blame people where you know, have nothing to do with nothing, you know. Enough of the time, you know, my people. If you're a person no click or no agree, your mind will stray for you feel like say that the person they do you something when that person may believe or pay no attention to you. You understand? Me can't find the video still. But let me know what you think, my people. Make watch some more. You can watch Jabbas, you know. So yeah, tell me if you don't feel like say I did that R is a different girl with sound like D.
Bro, man, you know? Where's mine underneath that?
I see the other one this way. I see the other one this way. I'm not putting more than this one, okay? Tick, my favorite. What man, all this blood clotting, man?
No, it was yummy. seen that actually. I never seen that. You want to show them? Come on.
No iron, man.
You want iron?
See, iron. I white before you know. You know?
You white clothes in the next room.
Red go better. The red better.
The red young. The red shirt young.
The red shirt tight. White, why not your chat? White. I'm using back to half. That's what you want to be using back. Can you make sound like a half? You are using back. Eh? One more class.
Yeah.
Oh.
Wait, that one you want?
Huh?
One you want?
Yeah, man, I next one already. Everybody knows I'm got big pretty girl, but you know I talk nothing. Me have a nice size, what you go with it. So everybody know that already. Matic! Look at.
Yes, me no know me dear.
No.
Somebody say shame, me say a real thing. What me I say? I read, you know, me no know them. I read.
Then say Chanel was young at the time. So
A Dragga named Taji. Oh, Jesus Christ. The Dragga bisexual? Lord Jesus. Dragga no me say it. I want message me I read and I me say it. Read me I read that text and I me say it. Somebody said Dragga used to name K. Done man. Stop them some there, man. Done man.
yeah,
Don't say that.
problem. They say Anna have the same mental problem as Annie.
Don't do that. Don't say that, girl. Girl, don't do that.
Dragga did a drag queen. How about Claudia?
Don't say that, girl. Girl, don't say that.
Nobody know Annie mother. The woman said nobody know Annie mother.
Don't say that, man. Oh, God. Jesus.
No, sir.
Dragga
Dragga have one picture. I mean, I just nobody but Dragga have one picture and look like little Battyman picture. Funny picture when me see when you white out and bleach out.
Christ.
No, sir. The whole family.
Somebody said you have 4 girl pillion up.
Those, sir. I know 4 or 5. My 5.
5.
If Dragga there one girl a 5, cause she have 4 girl and 2 boy. Alex and Dragga.
Somebody say Vanessa say pray for them. Me attack? I can't me attack. Me really attack? I will for people over here want prayers. Why me don't take my prayer? What me can pray for myself and pray for my people. If I go pray for any people them, don't play with my girl. But then I want some prayer myself. Pray for blood clot. I never want to pray for me. More pray for myself. Top one can make people pray for you. Why don't pray for yourself? When you can't pray.
Annie no look good, my dear. Go and go get some help. You need help, Annie. You get the help and just go get the help, baby. And I throat.
You don't go easy on them. Oh.
But when Annie a class out people, Annie go easy. She need the help.
Oh, so we
Nah,
forgot
so
easy for Annie. No,
me
ask them. Me go ask the comment section something. Me forgot easy for Annie. You didn't go over Annie live and tell her go easy for my daughter? before me start pan Zoe. You did go over Annie live when she had talk about my daughter. I did tell her say go easy pan her before me start pan Zoe. That's the only question I want to ask you. You see if you can't answer, me go block you. Did you go in any comments and tell her say go easy pan Sure? Sure is a baby. You did go over there and tell her that before you come here? Before me start pan Zoe, you did tell her that? You never tell her though. Alright then, block her moderator. Thank you. No more question.
Lati say Annie have a nurse daughter.
Don't talk about that daughter day. Lati don't please don't talk about that one day. Her auntie asked me if just keep her out of the mix up on the media. Don't talk about her. Yeah, she have a daughter, she do practical nursing. The daughter and her don't talk and that is okay. Leave her out there. Don't call her name, chat. From yesterday, don't call her name. Don't call her name. Make sure stay out there. We can't say Annie have 5 people, not 6. The little girl out there, she innocent. Fair father take her from she young. Leave she out of that one day. Because auntie asked me to keep her out the mix. Leave her. Don't tell. She go church. She not in the media and them something there's not them type of female. Leave her. Don't talk about her.
Boy, oh boy, me love the man they do. Me love the man they take feet one. Me love him. Me love the man they.
Yeah, respectfully, me I ask you, don't even call her name neither. Thank you.
Me like the man they. Me like the man they will take fame one. Me like the man they. Me like him.
Alright, my people. So, wanna see how she expose some not so nice things about Dragga, what people are saying in the comment section, and she read it out loud and something. Here we go, my people. You see, on social media, anybody can get bring down. People love the lies because guess what? The lies are more entertaining. So people gravitate to the lie more than the truth. You see me I say, and most of the time, we as people, we love the villain them. Yeah, we love the villain. You see me I say, yeah man. So, that the type of culture there. Like, people overall, you know what I mean, love the villains. So you say, if I want to look at soft soap, people are going to take on to the person who are bully you more than you will get bullied. Me tell you that, man. So, even Dragga, you know, my people. So, Dragga kind of get a little taste of his own medicine because him come bring down Annie. And look now, somebody else will bring him down. Although she I make it clear, say people I say what them are saying in the comment section, but she I read it out, you know what I mean? Make me know what to think.
So now that same man, Alex and Mika father.
We don't know that. We don't know.
No, you ask me.
We don't know what the father them. We don't know. We don't know.
Me don't know what Alex and me don't know what Alex father. Share that little girl there how much?
Who?
The little girl.
Which one?
This same little girl matter.
Zoe?
No man, me not talk Zoe.
Oh, Mexico girl. I think she about 27, 28. One of them.
Oh, so that means okay. So she can't. So she cannot be Alex. She can't. She Alex and Mika can't have the same father. Then, people.
No.
Is she 27, 28? Alex cannot have the same father.
But she go on practical.
No, my answer you already, Keisha. My answer you. Probably you're not here. My answer you, baby.
Go on practical nursing school. So I think she's a big girl.
Somebody says she's about 21. But then listen to me. I don't know. I want to leave the little girl outside. Do you not hear? I want to leave her out there. I don't know who Alex's father. I don't know who Mika Boo's father.
More than one of them.
I don't know who is who for father.
Yeah, Anna said none of them don't know them father neither. Because Annie give this a smarty other father. Yeah. And remember Anna come talk say who a Mika Boo father is Zoe father that is not Mika father. I can't bother. Leave me alone, I don't know.
She born after Dragga.
Alright, leave her out tight. Say Annie have 5 kids, please and thanks.
Leave a little girl, only leave a little girl.
Annie have 5 kids. Wanna leave the little girl out of it. Annie have 5 kids. 5.
Have 5 people with the Rona. She have Dragga, she have Anna, she have Zoe, she have Alex, and she have Mika Boo.
Right.
So leave a little girl.
Don't call little girl name. Bring her anybody call her name over there. Mute them.
Leave a little girl.
And leave the little girl out tight. A 6 penny and you have. You know you're my blood clot. You're deaf. Pussy.
5 in a year.
You come like say you're deaf. You don't understand English. You don't comprehend drunk crow. You're deaf. Chairman. You know blood clot comprehend. You're deaf or what?
This to the count the fucking ear for true, man.
Like you know blood clot comprehend.
No, sir. Keisha, you have to go help Annie. I know you like her and everything, but you have to go help her. And I truth, baby. Annie wants some help. She wants serious help. Annie act like one 41-year-old woman. Annie do act like one 41-year-old woman. They say Annie there was 41 and he would never take back TikTok police because you know a big woman ever depend. You must know your word. You must know your word. You know a big woman ever depend on something. Annie make police this her go this her come and she take back police and then she come and she want help. Serious help anyone. She need to take a break. You can't go back and forth with all of this.
Thank you.
You can't go back and forth with all of this. Police come, police bring you down class, you say your mouth thing. Remember say police know, make we know up on TikTok say you have rotten teeth. We never know until the people then dig up you and find it. You're not act like a big man to me.
So come and bring and me ask you something. And what is funny mouth? Funny teeth.
I would have clear that. Chatter what that?
What you think she have black?
You know see I black box in there. And I ring nobody attack. Couldn't see black sitting them of herself and any teeth black sitting. Like
no, we know she put a smiley. She make smiley look bad. The teeth me attack. The teeth. You know deaf?
Some people say a ginger bite. We can't bother.
It's a plaque.
Yeah, let me teach. Chrissy, you have to tell me what. Send me on the phone, Chrissy, me and tell me.
Oh, me just say that.
I don't know what that. Send me on my other phone and tell me, cause I don't know. No, so Annie.
Alright, my people, so make we move on to the next. Jaja, boy, she not ease up off Annie and the family still, you know. Big one thing, you know, boy. Jaja, people tell me what they think.
You know, say Annie got dentist and scrape off, she might be lose all her teeth, them. No, me
that means say Annie brush her teeth. You know, say
brush her teeth, we bleed and them something.
Yeah.
She have to go get some veneers.
What? Want that?
No, when she alright, Chase. So when I got a doctor and them I got scrape off something them, remember say teeth them I go look fine. You ever see some people scrape them teeth and then after them put the veneers over their teeth them? I saw it a go look.
Yeah.
Oh God, don't please don't let cheese cuss me. Tomorrow
She's a nobody.
I'm not gonna
She
go
is
to Crown
a
Drive
nobody.
tomorrow. Please don't make cheese cuss me. Go suck out to no more that straw.
Right there, so. That is it.
You know cheese. Go suck out. Cheese and Ireland go suck out to the mama with a blood clot straw. And that me say.
That is it.
Y'all no back down.
From nobody.
I have my blood clot 445. Me no broke down cheese. Cheese your mouth blood clot, God. I pay mouth you have.
Right there, so. And nothing behind it. No substance. You have to walk a beg on the internet.
You can't
Man greedy and run gone left you again. And you have to run a beg on the internet for people to put you up. Go away.
Pull you out of bomber clot house. Pull you out of blood clot capture house.
David Rotten Chase. David Rotten Chase.
She brighten a blood clot. Cheese, look at this. Look at how I'm living, Cheese. I eat a madolo. Look.
Cheese, who gone back to Jamaica, man. Make sure go on, man. Right
back to Jamaica. Fuck with me. Make Cheese fuck with me.
Cheese.
Them not tell her, so me go to Donald Trump meeting. Cheese go look on my page. Cheese.
Just wait, man. When she says she not get back no more money, she will know what time it is.
She not get back. No, man, know how people sorry for her and even get a blood clot.
Remember, she soon come back again, you know.
Jesus.
Remember, that is she always do.
She's get the biggest bring down on internet in America. You make Batty boy put you up in a house and
the biggest shameful and disgrace of Cheese. Cheese got suck your mother. Cheese, me have five money gun and about 3 wheel for my blood class shit and Ivan. Me I go suck your mother. You think your picnic can come out nice like Ivan? You want to be Ivan is so bad. Suck your mother, your sick stomach like dog. Show we crackhead will lay down with you. Cheese show with the blood clot crackhead will live with you, eh? You remember when the man done a blood clot spin box you spit pan you? You remember when them spit talkers spit pan you? Go find your strength somewhere else. Go find your strength somewhere else. You're all dog vomit, girl. Go ahead. Now the think you never make blood clot all on the gang up on one woman. So no matter you think me don't know the game plan? So the blood clot, mother.
That was their problem.
Cheese with blood clot ball. Hold on, no give me a minute. Cheese, me there work the day, Cheese. I'm there work. Somebody said it to me and said they want to kick out Cheese out, the Cheese a cry. And when me look on the Cheese and see you in the house with your ears turn up so, like a spike, like them catch you a fire. And you hear them go up in the ear, and I see her cry, and I come on the live.
Yep.
When the boy they send you, when the girl them do it with you, and when the boy send when blood clot Jada Kingdom send you the $500. As soon as him send you, me send my money to the person. I say send it go get her. Oh God, me sorry for her. Or the batty boy them I deal with her. As bad as thing we should cuss people upon you, but me never like it. Cheese, me give it to your Cheese. Me never you call me Cheese.
Sorry for my other dog.
Shabab the Battyman house.
My blood clot for money gun them uncle belly girl your Battyman son ya me send it back.
Me never. Oh my God. When you calm down, them say violent. Violence. We are predict violence. Bukachud.
Yeah.
F1, them say we are do violence over here. What violence?
Me could put F1 in a comment.
Yeah. So, yeah, them say we are do. So, hold on. Let me go back to Cheese. So, Cheese.
What the live of them?
Yeah.
So, all right, now calm down. Now, we calm down. So, Cheese. When me see you, I'm a job a cry, and me see Jada come in, and Jada send you 500. Me send my money, just like how yesterday, me send my money for people who send to Jamaica. Me not send it myself. Me send it to somebody, me send it to Jamaica. And me send my money to your Cheese. And listen to me, and you come out, you have to come argue with me. But Cheese, let me tell you something, Cheese. Me nephew, and you did their England together. And he called me, and said, Auntie, send her something, me and her the friend. Me now make you know who. Till you're dead, you now go blood clot, know who. But hear me I say to you the thing. Go on and rub a girl. Go on and rub that girl when you open, you don't know. Because guess what, Cheese? Me I run from ice, but you are run in ice. Don't make people bring you out here. You are run, Cheese. Don't play it because you cuss everybody out here, but you come for the wrong blood clot one. This one have a badge where you come for. This one have a detective badge. Don't come to me go a meeting with Donald Trump every blood clot month of Florida. Don't come, but let me show you something, Cheese. Cheese, hold on, let me show you something. Don't play with me, Cheese. You better go back in your blood clot hole where you did the cheese. Go back. Don't let you trick your blood clot.
Make them go and trick her because she might go hospital if you have the baby. No, make them go and trick her. She might go hospital if you have the baby and cock up her foot. And when she look, she said Homeland Security turn up over her big thinking pussy. Make them go and fool her. Make them go and trick her. No say, well, we out here tricksters. Make them go and trick you, gringo. Gringo, make them go and trick you. Come on know how you reach over this side, you have the blood clot, TikTok, you know nothing better to do. She send me back my 4 money gun to me, a Battyman son done, yam the money. Send me back my 4 money gun. Run back my blood clot, 4 money gun. Run it back, yeah, you chitty man, blood clot, son them yam it. Run it back. You have too much mouth, you have too much hard mouth for your blood clot, big. Run it back. Send it bumbo clot back, big thinking pussy. I fuck me as a fuck for me. Send it back. Tinky dinky whole girl. Send it back.
Give it 1 minute. Look on it. I'm going to show you. Look take off this. Look what his name. Brian Daniels. Look on it. Alright? Then come now. Watch this blood clot. Watch till it done. Watch this till it done. That's the governor we run. Wait till it done.
Caught up in the government bureaucrat BS. He's a common sense, highly intelligent, constitutional warrior who wants to make sure we keep our freedoms and yet make sure we can be even greater.
He knows what this area needs, and he's
watch till it done.
He's gonna make Florida great again. Seems a very smart fellow. The first time I met him.
When I see the blood clot governor put me in a bomber clot ads. Wanna see it?
Yeah. See at the end. Not really at the end, come right there.
No, I mean, let me play it again. Let me play this blood clot again.
He doesn't get caught up in the government bureaucrat BS. He's a common sense, highly intelligent, constitutional warrior who wants to make sure we keep our freedoms and yet make sure we can be even greater.
He knows what this area needs, and he's loyal to Trump, and we're going to be loyal to him.
He's going to make Florida great again.
Seems a very smart.
Right, that's it.
Make Florida great again.
Them Donald Trump say make America great, so she make Florida great.
Great job. I'll do everything I can, knock on doors, do whatever I can to get him elected governor. Be a great governor for the state of Florida.
I'm out here today supporting Byron Donalds at his campaign.
I really like everything that he's been doing.
Listen what that woman has said. The next woman I got pine for me. Watch me the woman that got pine for me.
That'll make Florida great again.
And was happy to see you.
100% is make Florida great again.
Hear me and her say great again. Me and the woman say, go suck on no mama. Play with me. We have meeting next week.
I can't make this shit up.
Bomba clap, play with me.
Cheese, yeah, the saddest blood clotting me see on the internet. You reach a England, you breed, you couldn't stay, you get shipped away. You reach a Canada, you couldn't stay, you get shipped away. You reach America, you're waiting to be shipped away. Go and fuck yourself and watch you all of the country. Then
Just like
your blood clot away from all. And national deportation. National everywhere she go. Them just dip her so before she stay out of conflict and stay out of people blood clot.
No, from when I tell her to come off of the internet.
Me say if I did me would have shame too much blood clot place a dip. Yeah, what dippy? Yeah, dippy, sure? What the fuck are you? Everywhere you go bust a breed. Where you breed suffer. Girl, how the fuck you breed suffer? And not even one of them no 7 or blood clot 11 for say, mommy make me file for you and help you. Girl, go sit down here, man. Go ahead. But your blood clot I call me, but you don't know nothing about it. You don't know me sit down and wait for you for say gifted. Me sit down a blood clat wait stink mouth cheese.
I want to
Tinking pussy cheese.
That's a echo.
It's a echo say where?
Let me see.
Yeah.
Talk now, Indian, make yourself it a echo.
Yo. You go,
so it was gifted then.
Me not know how.
So, cheese now live now and she make more boots her up and stinking or diarrhea for coming a war, eh? And none of them now put her up. Eh? Cheese ask them for a shelter. Instead they come here and ask them for a roof over your blood clot head. Boy, you're catching a people bomber clot house. You try to make sure you can get the people them the share of the blood clot rent to your inner. And you cock up on bomber clot rental bed said we. Oh, you gone in a bomber clot Battyman house. Where Battyman I tell you about capture land. And make Batty boy put you up. And then you sleep on Batty boy house in a palm furniture. Eh? Where be a Batty boy a fuck man. Covered furniture and a show off. You make stinking big links Lisa come hype you up. To come show off on the Batty boy there. And big links no sir the Batty boy put you up. See there? The following blood clot too there. Out and nowhere now the so-called capture house of landlord a call you say. You have one day for bomber clot come out. Eh? And Batty cheese embarrassing. Out of every disgrace when me see them take shit tack up on the street. Remember me tell you a girl, you're the bring down at the biggest disgrace by internet.
No say so, man. That's the police business. Police alright in an Audi. I wish all the best with them and that Audi. Dragga, why Anya do you so? I don't know, you know. I don't know. I know I'm not answer. You see, I'm not answer nobody. I'm not answer nobody. God, you see all of this? I change my life right now. We are telling about wedding for fuck you, telling about wedding from this is about wedding. She have a new son. Me don't read this up here. I once a while now start see me now. Once a while now see me now. You just see me I make moves. You just see me I post. You just see me I post. I make moves. Me done with the life back and forth thing. All who want call me Battyman, call me Battyman. All who want say me rob and thief, me rob and thief. And they run with it. And then go on with it. So you go. I'm living my best life right now. Right now I'm at peace. I wanna have peace. Right now any screen record me see, me a black them bumbo clad. Any screen record page me see me a black them bumbo clad. I'm at peace right now. Yeah. I'm not depending back and forth thing. Keep it up, yes. No mix me with Chanel. No mix me with Chanel, do. You say a 30 grand you put for the Audi. Yeah, those I put on. I thought put. That's how you call look. I'm 30 grand putting on put more than that. But it's okay, I thought put. It's okay. I'll mean my police name put on. Akiwa name put on. Zoe name put on. And me alone put. But it's okay. I thought put. That's how you go. It's fine, it's fine. Exactly. Could I do me good right now? Could I do me damn good. But people, they say of course over 30 grand, 30 grand no money. Alright, now I could have take that 30 grand and do something with it. And not even 30 grand me give her. You know, how this has sent me? You know, there's a fake account and send me requests. You know, so I'm going to go and check for them and good. And good. And good, man. Just get some things going to get them ass. And soon head on my way. You know? Yeah. Let me give her for her birthday.
People, unless you are one car can cause, John will start. At the end of the day, my people, if Dragga don't have a license, it don't make sense him have a car. You see me? That's the number one thing. Number two again, my people, me feel like say, like TikTok police as a man, you know what I mean? Him supposed to look out for the youth them, like any youth them certain way. Him should have be like, you know what I mean? Him should have helped Dragga look about him lifestyle whatever if that a problem. You know what I mean? And make Dragga get the car for drive most of the time. Because me hear him say him have a car in a park up on my yard. Me don't know what do the car. You understand? Me don't know if I park it because something wrong with it or him just park it because him not drive it go country, him no want left it where him not have no like you know what I mean control over it if people can come thief it or whatever. You see me I say? But me feel like say him should have take control of the car. Seeing that Annie did give Dragga the car and tell him say yo your car and our son and you know me people if you have a car in your control you know you can move around you know one of the nicest thing you know and you never have a car before you know you say me I say not even a bike Dragga never have maybe not even a bicycle and if you get a car in a uncertain way you know what I mean that is a wonderful feeling and if you just have it taken from you anybody would have feel some type of way you see it so I can watch some more and hear Dragga some people.
I don't give her nothing, honestly. Because things kind of slow right now. I have to focus on the kids and back to school, you know. I don't give her nothing yet, but I promise her something. Although nobody remember my birthday and give me nothing. Things kind of very slow right now. Yes, so that me come over, we come to make sure they eat and good and, you know. Yes, she said today she wasn't cooking. Well, she cooking now. God. So where you at now? I'm on the road. We just a pass through, you know. And I heal up my people them. You don't know if you can support me same time, you can't send me a little gift. Meaning you and her do not live together no more, no sir. We don't live together no more. I'm not interview me though. Poison ox, you know. You look like an interview. One thing, Dragga, you does run fast. Run fast, way. What do you mean by that? Too much personal question. Do I true? Me at top answer them blood clot. I mean, I interview me for who and you live. I live by myself. I live by myself. hope you get the job. Boy, I'm not answer that one day. Give her another chance. No, give her another chance. No. You know why? You know why? I don't know why. Before all of this, it didn't work out. And then the company internet called me Battyman. When the people then don't trail with their stories of me a Battyman, it make it worse. The woman when I sleep with, company internet come say me a Battyman. Oh, that look. Oh, that look. You know, look good. And if you remember, say me have two fucking pitney. We have two fucking pitney, two boys. You know, I go to school, and I say, hey, mother come on internet and say, their father a Battyman. I look funny, you know. So imagine if me go back now, me go back, go. I'm not saying if you go back and get a chance. It's going to just get worse and worse, huh? You don't have your own paper? No, not yet. I don't have it. I don't have no paper. But me have one card though. If you want to send some money, I'm in car right now, boy. Worries in the dance, worries tonight, worries in the dance, worries. Be happy, focus on you. I am okay. I'm not happy as it, but I will be okay. I miss you too. We miss you too. Then channel people. No, get it up there. We still can't get the money, man. Still can't get the money. And if you don't even send nothing in a paper, you still have to take it to them as it. So, it's okay. I will get my own soon, though. I will get my own soon. I mean, I have one paper. I'm going to make a new Gmail and use that new Gmail and sign up on paper. Because the last paper I have like somebody take over a TV or something to ask that. I can't log back in it. I remember the password. Like then TV.
Alright, my people, let me know what you think. We'll watch some more.
Friend, visit Jaden and Cosmumi. I want to go down. You see that boy there, TikTok police and make everybody at town against Mummy. Everybody. One by one. She first, me, I want to go down. I mean, I really know what's going on. But if you see a TikTok police car, every minute Jaden had Mummy on her live, TikTok police are running, man. You don't know Jaden and Mummy son. So, and he did it before TikTok police. So, well, me don't know. Me don't know, yeah, man. We just hatch it. Me don't know. Just we say that. TikTok police to ops. Somebody can send more baby lion. Baby son, baby, when you baby cup also smell one lion. Missy something there too. Missy some picture with Aki walk and TikTok police in a dress and a skirt. Missy bumbo clot. People are wicked, you know? People are wicked. I hope they don't do me so. A long time I not take pictures, so that's the they don't do me so. Why? For me, I would have feel away, bro. So I know you would. Why? So some people don't know about AI, bro. Some people don't know about AI, you know? Imagine when they see them to blood clot. They say, I wish Battyman living in Jamaica. That's good. Oh, pull up in the RDA. Why? So how can you preach this? Just ask you what. The sunshine, yes.
Like Tiki, it did an offstage Tiki in the relationship, and it really hurt because me I feel said to myself, say, is this Sister Trev? Because Trev she come out, you know. Trev come out and dance another sleep over Baltimore and another man tour. Then for all long Tiki did I work clean. Tiki lucky never gash, you know. You know, say I would have give Tiki some rotted lick. I would have give not Tiki, I would have give Trev some rotted lick. You know, fear is fear. Trev wicked, he's a deceiver. I think he is a snake that tricked Adam and Eve. I believe said Trev come out in the week and she just a flashing like this is her comfort zone. Taking now you have to carry your own down altar. It mess up. It mess right up. Right up. Trev trick you. Then you can imagine now Trev and the color purple, pink, orange, blue, or gray.
What have you done?
Eh? Then you can imagine. Can you imagine? No, a serious place. It's a serious allegation. So the boy didn't want to come drop in on my bed. But that Trevor drop in a Tiki bed. And Trevor is a big lady. Then you didn't see Trevor without favorite. Has been like vacation, you know. Why the people that must travel without feel the town? What's this? What is this? I can't couldn't see that number. Oh! My man. One of the people have a message, my man. As I come off for Appica and I call you, don't message back here because I show them something on my phone. As I come off for Appica and I call you.
Say to you, stop bullying Howie. And you go for my daughter in an American Idol where we already put out there with self. What you saying? You know what sense? You idiot? What am I supposed to do? You know what that make? You know what happens since I put up me and my daughter? Bitch. The amount of people come visit my page. Me get 100 and add new followers. You fuck her, you put her up again. Dog shit. Let me tell you something. Buck. She used to the Lasco commercial too. She used to the Lasco commercial and Broadband commercial and me and my crew. Yeah, and I mean a Blackwood Mix and IT and Fancy get a whole for something on JCDC Festival. But you think you could have post her again? Blood clock, I want some more clout dog shit. I want my account continue for go. Thank you, bitch. Thank you for post with. You dirty dog. Thanks. You don't want to post with again? You don't want to post us again? Eh? Let me tell you the difference with me and you. You see when you post me or my daughter, eh? My account will get visibility. Because everything that the devil throw at we, it does catapult to the next letter. But you see when them post you, bitch, you come in like a return mail. Nobody not claim your blood clot, so you go back at the post office. You know why? Them don't even have a face to identify you. You a fucking open TikTok, bitch. You on TikTok liars and you a fucking open the app. You're an unidentified object. You're not even a blood clot fly.
Alright, my people, so I don't talk too much. Let me know what you think in the comment section or what some more.
You're a UEO. Unidentified existing object. Or it's not even a bomber clock UFO. Nobody can identify on a dog shit. Nobody can identify you on blind Battyman Musy. Why my text said palm me for Jesus? God, me no know why Tom and Brina did go tell me if you go preach for the other day, you know. Why me listen to Tom and Brina if you go preach? Because ever since me go listen to Tom and Brina and I try to be a good Christian and go preach, the boy feels me a Jesus. Blind Battyman Musy thinks say me can pitch in the earth and then make clear and put the pan in the eye and tell him to go wash him eye in the spool of Solomon and see. The pool, what is pool name? The pool name. Silo or whatever. Huh? Buck, and me tell you if you fuck out your hole all over the Caribbean and your body hole does a bleed. You here come grab on my fat tail like the woman with the bleeding but it hang on Jesus' garment. Pussy hole, me can't help you stop fuck. If you stop fuck, so you will stop drain like ice truck. Bitch, stop fuck so much. Lent just gone in Easter. You never give up fucking. That's when your intestines and your body hole don't seem to be working. Big nasty stinking buck. Big nasty stinking buck. And I mean why you shame on your appearance where you have to hide. Remember say hide pan TikTok in a UFO. No, UTO, unidentified TikTok object. Not even algorithms them and the AI don't know who the fuck you are. See that same thing. Somebody asks who is buck. Me no know. Musy bull buck. That's why I end up right so now sit down as a dopey conqueror, a whole Jamaica together. Cause no unidentified TikTok object now go come text it pound with Jamaican brother. No, never. Bucka one big stinking Battyman. What Guyana call anti-man. Cause we call him Battyman in Jamaica, Guyana call him anti-man. Bucka one big stinking anti-man from Guyana. Was sit down every day on TikTok live and I chastise Owie. Nisha baby father. Nisha was just dead. Him a chastise Owie. Every day him sit down on the boy name. Every day him a big stinking dirty TikTok liar. Just step on the boy name. The two blind mice them have the faceless account where nobody can see them. I saw the two blind mice. See how they run. See them here. Two blind mice. See how them out run. Them sit down every day and night. They pan out day and night. Two blind mice. Big stinking dirty blind mice them. Bumba wall, we want to get a mice trap and fly a ghost. We want pop off a mice trap and fire two fucking bitch ghosts. God, you really know who fit take, you know. We want to set up a mice trap and fly a ghost. So because me address the big stinking dirty man. And that's why I decided to post my daughter upon American Idol with our story where we said we did homeless. What is wrong with that? People, audience, how much time me come over here so content me out. And me alone. Look at it. I just bought this shit.
And?
You turn up in it?
No, me say sit down now. Jesus Christ, you get serious.
you sit down now, me say Bumbo. You're sit down now.
Yo. I didn't ever see a tip in there. You go water, there is a tip in there. See that? Hey, and I need that thing.
I never step in the water.
Good Jordan you wear. Where the good boy buy you. So, nothing wrong if you stand up in a good car. Where a good man.
But me hear you ball out. Me hear when you ball out and say, sit down now.
You're cutting a hot me heart, man. But you see just true, me see say, yeah, enjoy yourself. Go on, tell you a long time, you know. But just do not say. Yes. You better take your blood crap out of me sleep. But just true, me see say, enjoy yourself. They just want to come back.
Really? I'm not talking in your car, you know?
That's why I want to turn up on me seat then, babes.
We can't wait for wash it.
Babe, you know what? Mama, tell us something. Alright. I know what you're doing. I turn up and it go sinking. Not because. So me just make that clear.
Never go away.
No, B, no, listen. No.
Never go away.
Look now, me not even laugh. Look now. Just hear me.
You embarrass me.
Baby.
I embarrass me for sure.
Me not even laugh. Not like what you think.
No.
Listen to me now. Yes, when you stand up like in a settee with your foot, listen up, remember a cushion and them things and me. When you stand up in a them place, the easy no bro, cause you know just farm on your own opinion, bro. Yes, when you stand up in a them bucket seat, the bills cause a bucket seat, you know a sports car, it sink it. Anybody, me do it, if Jay do it, anybody do it. That's when you stand up in a, like stand up in a the mic light, it's sinking. Anybody. You see what I say? Any seat or any car you stand up in. You see, if it come like bonnet, it gets soft and sinking. So me don't mean that the way there. You see what I say? So me don't really want to come for me. You see, them soft. So you see when you something there, they sink. So you see the little thing them when I mingle with support it get weak. Me not tell you like you have something I make like seat like some sprinting or support it. Stay up. So me never mean it that way there. See if you see me not laugh. When I know when me I try make a joke, me laugh out all the whole I joke then. Me just a say. But babe, you're an exception. Come sink in a seat here, baby. You know my love you. Alright? But you come sink in a seat too, baby. Not careful. You can't sink it in. Nobody else can sink it in. Okay? Okay, baby? Yes, I know something I mean that way there, you know. Because you know I'm not here that already, you know. So now when I come over here with your food, you know. You know I'm not here, so don't bother with it. Yeah, you know.
Alright, my people, we're going to watch a bit more and then we're going to end it.
People know babes, baby. You know I'm
alright. So,
alright. Watch you now. We are playing another 6.
4.
You say if we win this, if you win this, you buy me a pair of shoes. And if me win this, I buy you a wig.
No. You tell me see you out of the wig already.
That's different. The white wig is different. That come online. That's so rich.
And if me you don't want to
what do you want?
Well, me I think about my war. Since we can't find my Pandora, I'm in the weight gone. The last it. Yeah, God, look, I can't find it. So, if we win that 6, yeah. No, you send the picture. So we're going to put the picture for you, but it's okay.
Yeah, that.
If we win that 6, yeah.
It's okay. I got the nail, I'm gonna put it right there, so it's okay. That picture there, it's okay. So we win that 6 year. You have to buy me one more Pandora and spell out my name. R-O-S.
That's too much money right now. I just buy one car. But I can't buy you about the same thing I did buy you. And I can't buy it back. I did a plan for buy it back, but not now. Because I don't know where you lost the something with my girl.
No, I can't find it for true.
Don't make me give up me lost it again, yeah?
We can't find it for true, no, wait, lost.
Okay. Alright, I agree. Now buy it by the Pandora. I'm here. Don't make it last again.
Then my last don't forget do.
May I tell you, take care of that one here, please. Alright? Come here.
And if me lose,
you buy me the shoes. What do you mean, right?
God. Your shoes cost 2,000 US. Come on.
No, man. I want. You know me now. Come here now. You can't go down a bossy boy if you don't want your babes.
Why that there?
It now costs you no more than 30 grand or 25 grand. Here?
Remember you wear with the shoes again, stand up. Get the shoes them same wear again.
Watch out now, baby. You can ditch gates that one here.
You wear sock your mother?
Mr. From me younger, my top wear sock your mother clothes in a bit. But watch out.
Rick Owens. It's pure Rick Owens that you wear. I don't know Rick, I can't find Owens.
No, baby. You can ditch gates it. You don't got to worry. Remember, say, at Jamaica, I live. So, all when I wear the real things, then I really notice it. So, you chat sometime. 90% of the time, them, me DH gates it. Okay? Thank you. 90.
So, ask that question. So, that means a Friday, I can't stand up back in my car.
Yeah, babes. What may I ask you something? Yeah, babes, I can't stand up back in there.
No.
You're planning to stand up back in there?
What you say?
You're planning to stand up back in there? Me a fear man. I am man things. Do what you want to do with it. I am man one. I am man things. I got more than one.
If the breeze are blowing at me ear, I'm on ball up and plan to stand up like this. Yeah, I tell you.
Okay.
And it was fun, crazy, that shit. Yeah, I know.
Yes.
Mama, not stand up back in night.
No, you can't, baby.
I'm gonna behave.
No, you can. I like when you're drunk. But the other part, when me and you talk about, me not like when you do that the party. Me not talk about that for life.
Which part that?
That part there.
When I'm drunk, I tell you exactly how I feel. What me do?
Stop fucking my baby girl.
Need to try a certain, I'm wicked.
Okay.